I'll show you a place where cows still have priority in traffic. We will hike down to a restored swimming pool, which is placed almost into the Atlantic Ocean. In the back, all the rocks are completely covered in moss. The grass is simply greener on the Azores. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like if you want. It was a wonderful hike over 3 hours at the eastern part of the island. Have a great day. See you next time.